Hey guys, what's up? We are here again speaking about another innovative way to go ahead and look at what real people are speaking about and get a real conversation about meaningful things that you can go ahead and either make content about or for and use the results to go ahead and factor in while you're researching. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. We are talking about something innovative today, as usual, and we are looking at a tool which will go ahead and help you have meaningful conversations with Reddit. Get deep as you can about whatever you can go ahead and look at. I mean, as deep as you can go the rabbit hole and dig deep into your research related stuff for on Reddit that you can use either for your research, either for your base research that you can use for other LLMs to go ahead and process, or basically content ideas. It could be anything. Now we are talking about a tool called as the Gigabrain.com, which is out and out research tool for anything that you may have in mind, and you can use that to go ahead and create content. At least that's how I use it, right? So if you're struggling with not knowing what to make videos about, go ahead and get all the conversations that people are speaking about and having around those topics that you're interested in on platforms like Reddit or any other forums, and it'll give you a research. It'll take you on a journey where you can keep conversing, keep researching, brainstorming, and things like that, right? So basically, that's all we're going to talk about. So you can argue saying that okay, Perplexity is something that does this too, right? So in Perplexity, you just go to focus, and then you can choose. Social, we can say, okay, research on all the forums like the Quoras and Reddits of the world and give me specifics as to or and help me understand the pain points of businesses and marketers when it comes to AI video, right? So that's my question to Reddit. So I'm going to copy this and I'm just going to go ahead and okay, let me search this. I'll also go to Gigabrain, which is the tool that we're talking about, and then we'll do that, right? Or let's keep it simple. Pain points of businesses and marketers when it comes to AI video, right? So that's my topic. So I'm just going to search for it. So let's go to Perplexity. Let's go to Perplexity and see what it talks about. Quality and authenticity concerns, brand integrity, dependence on technology, economic and job security issues, market orientation. That's very weird. So let's use the same thing that we put in there, right? We're going to say the pain points of businesses and marketers when it comes to AI video. So let's just put that. Same thing, right? But that is not what we were looking at. So let's look at how Brain has performed, if it is any better. Main points of businesses and marketers when it comes to AI video. Okay, it says quality versus quantity. Okay, now it's adding more context, right? So if you can compare that with Perplexity, you could compare that with Perplexity, where Perplexity says, okay, Perplexity says quality and authenticity issues. That's kind of different from what Gigabrain talks about, right? Gigabrain says the issue with that marketers suffer when it comes to AI video with respect to making videos using AI is the quantity versus quality game, brand perception and authenticity. Then you have regulatory compliance. Then you have integration with existing systems, cost versus benefit, adoption and adaptation, right? So how about it'll also give you certain prompts like how Perplexity does, but this is specific to all the Reddits and subreddits that it's going to go ahead and search. So any place where you're stuck, where you don't know what to go ahead and make content about, or you don't know, you're stuck about researching something, just come here and Gigabrain is the best place to go ahead and do that, right? It'll also highlight the specific Reddit posts for you. So I mean, you can go ahead and look at the replies. You can go ahead and research. So it also summarizes the AI answer like how Reddit does it for you. So key pain points of businesses and marketers regarding AI video are cost of implementation, quality control, technical expertise, integration with existing systems, content personalization, data privacy, rapidly evolving technology and measuring ROIs. So why is this useful? Is to give you that first level of first step that you needed to go ahead and take your first step, right? To go ahead and get the basic research done. Now, once I have that, I can always save that, and I can come back here and I can chat with Gigabrain, which is like a which opens up like a portal where you can go ahead and have conversations with the Gigabrain system. Paid. I'm sure that they should give us some credits. It's at least all right. So it's a pro thing, but you can try. Okay. Pain points for businesses when it comes to AI video, right? Businesses and marketers. We said it's having a conversation. Okay, quality and authenticity concerns. Da, 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 da. Okay. Now I can filter this down. I can break this down into one more step, and I hope you see it better now. So these are all the information that it has given me. Now I can dig one step deeper and say that, can you help me research and make specific video ideas with respect to AI video? Where's my prompt? Yeah. For my audience who happens to be marketers and business owners that want to make the most of AI video. Right? So that's about it. And then that's my prompt. And then I'm just going to close this. Right? So I'm asking for specific video ideas. Can you please put them all in a list and include parameters or a score from 5 being the first priority video topic and 0 being the least. Let's go. So that's what I'm saying. I have asked Gigabrain system to go ahead and give me a prompt. So let's see what this works. All right. So here are some specific video ideas. So we are not just looking at video topics, we're also looking at video ideas. It's also assigning score which says priority 5 for blah, blah, blah. Right. So this is how you go ahead and leverage Gigabrain. So any point in time, this is how you remember Gigabrain. Gigabrain, any point in time, if you're worried about, okay, where do I start this idea from? I just don't know what to make content about or what to write about. This is your place to go to. So let's get started and use Gigabrain. Put that to use and see what all you can uncover. And it's a brilliant find, and I think it's a good to use tool. So let's go ahead, make the most of it. Cheers, guys.